Hi there, George here. Today I'm gonna show you update about my pineapples. So 3 weeks ago I have pruned pineapple by sucker and I have planted in video in a small pot. So after it did grow a little bit I repotted in this pot. So it started to grow more and it's beautiful. Link to that video it's in the corner. And this is an update, so looks like beautiful as grow. This I prune in 2019. This one I prune in 2018 and in summer 2018 by sucker too. And so looks like it's big already. I wait, maybe next year will fruit for me. We will see, waiting for that. So I have another pineapple suckers which I will remove from there and put in water to grow roots, and after that I will plant them like this ones. So, and as you can see, unfortunately this mother plant, you can see dies already. This did bring me about 5 or 7 baby pineapples, and that's it. It was a good mother plant. He unfortunately dies. I have finished the contract with this plant, so with this producer, and I have another producer. This one, as you can see, it started to bring me pineapple suckers. This is the first one. That's amazing. It very healthy. This beautiful. And in the summertime and the beginning of autumn, I grow my pineapples outside and most of my plants. But now in October it's a little cold, and I moved on the windowsill my pineapples, and not only, and banana plants. So I have yet many plants outside. And I will see where I keep them. You can see this windowsill already, it's full of plants, so well, and I have a lot of plants outside it. Let's see, look, Christmas cactus I have, and I know that many plants, lemon tree, something like that. Well done. And the bamboo, I moved them on windowsill. It actually bamboo I grow inside all time. It's doing well. I have reported it not long time ago, so it's doing great, growing nice. And banana plants growing too, growing nice. They are very beautiful. So looks like inside now. I have no idea where I will keep another plants which they are outside now. Well, this banana plant I planted in the compost, and look at it, germinated some this all is cucumber or watermelon. We will see. I have to remove and plant in separated containers because we'll break root system of banana plant, and I don't want that. So they looking very nice there. I have many banana. There are variety Cavendish, and another one. Beautiful this one. So I decided to divide these pineapple suckers, and we will see if have roots or not. So the pineapple suckers didn't have roots, and I put them in water, and definitely will grow in about 1 or 2 weeks. So we will see. And this, as I said, I will give someone bought this. I will grow at home like these ones, and I will show you update. So that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching to the end. That is very important to watch to the end videos. And that's it. Thank you. So if you want, subscribe to my channel, put like and share. and see you next time. Greetings from Moldova. Bye bye, George was here.